Hello crafters, welcome to a Created Home with Elf Creation, and today's Christmas craft. Today is another video in Donna's 24 weeks of Christmas collab. Now I got these kind of snow dusted wooden pieces, I guess you can call them, or trunks, from Hobbycraft last year. And I'm going to make some Christmas ornaments for me. I was emailed and asked if I could make some rustic looking ornaments. So I'm going to use some jute twine, some berries and some greenery from my stash. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to hot glue 3 of these together. Very easy, and you wouldn't have to even go out and buy these. You could go to your back garden and you know, get a twig that's fallen from the tree and you could use that. Right, I'm going to hot glue some of this twine around it just to give it the impression that it's all tied together. Okay, let's cut that. I'm also going to make a bow using this this jute twine. Just a cute little bow, nothing you know, earth-shattering. Then we're going to add some greenery. So I want this to, yeah, I think I'm gonna, it doesn't really matter where you have, which is your, you know, your front or your back. Just choose where you want your front and your back to be. Let's put some foliage in. Let's choose some berries. Hot glue those on. Maybe grab hold of a pine cone. And these are the pine cones that I get. They're from Baker Ross and it's 250 grams. I can't quite remember the price, but I know it's not overly expensive. You get a lot for your money though. Okay. Okay, let's add this cute little bow. And what I would do, and instead of gluing a hanger on, what I would do is I would, let me go and get them crafted so I can show you. I would use an eyelet like that, and I would screw that into the top. I mean, you could very easily just glue a hanger in, but I want this to look slightly more professional, and trust me, I'm no professional. So I'm going to screw this into the wood directly, and then I can attach a piece of jute for it to hang. Okay, just like that. There we go, really cute and really simple. I'll do the rest of these off camera, and then in the photos you'll have all 3 of them. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care now. Bye bye.